Are you doing any part-time job now?
Yeah.
And how many hours do you work in a week? What do you do there? After tax, how much money do you make by the end of the month? And is that good enough for your cost of living? So a lot of people are actually on their way to Germany in 2024 winter intake या 2025 में और one of the common questions people are asking अभी financially is कि second year का blocked account भी चाहिए क्या या तैयारी करके आनी पड़ेगी क्या पहले से since it's been how long that you're here now?
3 years.
3 years हो गया. So I'm sitting here with two students who are studying in public university and you're done with your studies now, right? And she studied in private university. So depending on where in the world you're applying your visa from, so even though if you're an Indian national and if you're applying from out of India, let's say for example Dubai mein, so the rules there are a bit different to what visa you will get as an Indian national in India, you know. But for both of you, it's been only been 6 months, right? आपको visa कितने time का मिला है? 6 महीने का या 1 साल का? 1 year का मिला है. When you came, this was 2022.
It was, it was 2022 and
2022
I
था
got
ना?
only 3 months visa.
3 months का visa.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you came, right, 3 months का visa लेके, you had to go and extend that in Berlin, Ausländer Behörde office. Do you still remember कि आपने, because तब तो blocked account का fund होगा काफी आपके पास, right? You didn't struggle then. So when you went for the first extension,
Yeah, I already had the block amount in my bank account, and but along with this, I already got the part-time job, so they didn't
Wow.
ask me. For,
आते ही,
yeah, of course.
बहुत सही यार. तुम लोग के पास अभी तक जॉब नहीं है ना? Part time job? You're trying.
If I get a work study, I am because
Working student.
yeah, like a working.
You don't want to
student.
work odd jobs.
I don't mind, but that's not something I'm aiming
Okay.
for right now because
Personal
I'm
choice,
trying
huh?
to improve my skills personally.
Right. Okay, yeah. When you went for the first extension, you had your blocked account का paper and everything, right?
Yeah.
So जब first time गए थे, तब कितने time के लिए visa बढ़ाया उन्होंने?
2 years.
2 years का straight बढ़ा दिया था.
Exactly.
जब वो भी खत्म हो गया, you went again.
Yeah, I went there with my 6 months extension from my university, but they still gave me 1 year visa.
अच्छा, okay, wow. And now that you're done with your studies, right? You are switching from student visa to job seeker visa. Have you done that?
Still in the process.
Okay. But like generally, तभी भी वो लोग financials मांग रहे हैं या
Yeah,
नहीं?
they are still asking for the salary slips, like whatever
From your
you are working
past
from
jobs.
the part time.
Okay. And this time when they will extend your visa, I think they'll give you for 18 months.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. But on your current job seeking visa also, you're allowed to work part time or full time?
Full time.
Full time you're allowed to
yeah.
work, right? Okay. You know, one of my friend, this is a case in one of the company in Berlin. उसको लगा कि मैं इस पे काम कर सकता हूँ, उसने काम करने लगा. 6-8 महीने हो गए. जब उसके कंपनी ने उसको बोला कि भाई तू जॉब सीकिंग वीजा से फुल टाइम वर्किंग परमिट पे चले जा. Crazy. He got to know then 7 महीने बाद that his job what he's doing doesn't fall in the shortage skill category and उनके वो लिस्ट में ही नहीं था उसका जॉब कैटेगरी जो था. And long story short, they have not extended his visa. Company has thrown him out eventually. तो ऐसा भी हो रहा है कि मेरे को लगता है कि जब नौकरी मिल जाए, so you switch immediately from a job seeking visa to a full time working permit because he kept working on that category visa. उसको 7 महीने बाद समझ में आएगा. Oh my God! Because my question to him was कि यार वो उसकी गलती थोड़ी ना है. उसने घर पे बैठ के थोड़ी ना जॉब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बनाया है. जो कंपनी ने दिया उसने काम करना शुरू कर दिया उसके बेसिस पे. And then he had to hire a lawyer. The lawyer is now talking to Ausländer Behörde saying कि भाई वो कैंडिडेट की गलती थोड़ी ना है. Then they said नहीं, हमारे पास जो लिस्ट है उसमें ये पोजीशन जो इसको दी गई है ये है ही नहीं और अगर है भी तो इसको अंडर पेड है. Then he went to the company and he had an argument with the company कि आप मेरा सैलरी बढ़ाओ और कंपनी बोल रहा है नहीं हम इतना ही पे कर पाएंगे. And then of course finally कंपनी ने बोला कि देख भाई we can't hold this position for too long, we'll give it to somebody else who has no visa issue.
But honestly, if a company is hiring a talent on basis of visa, the company's HR or administration is required to see if they're fulfilling those requirements,
Exactly,
right?
right? They did not do their homework और वो बहुत बड़ी कंपनी की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. ठीक
So
है?
it shouldn't be the candidate's fault because the poor person is literally having a traumatic experience. The career that he's dreaming of is going in vain because a particular person was not good enough in his job. job.
Exactly. So he didn't lose his job just because he was not good at or he was not performing, but because of the administrative glitches, he lost his job now. And this is one of my very close friends I'm talking about in Berlin. So that's a good advice, I guess, कि आपको जब नौकरी मिल जाए तो फटाफट चेंज करवा लो, you know, because people are allowed to work on job seekers visa full time.
Yeah.
और वो आपको तब तक ही रन करना चाहिए जब तक आपको अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं मिल जाए, बिकॉज अपॉइंटमेंट का भी इशू चल रहा है, राइट, फुल टाइम एम्प्लॉयमेंट को लेके.
Like they already blocked their appointment services on the websites. Like you have to send the request to outstanding order.
Right.
So they will appoint you for the day.
Right. So every time you went to extend your student visa, did you show them some funds in your account?
Not really. They just asked me for the last 6 months of salary slip.
6 months of what?
Salary slip.
Salary slips. Okay. For both of you, it's only been 6 months, right? Have you come prepared with your blocked account money for second year?
Honestly, not. But given that I have more 6 months to go for that, I think I'll think about it when there are 3 months left.
Oh, okay.
Because there are a lot of things to stress about right now when you can't. It's like in the near future, so you can think about it when it's actually coming closer.
What about you?
So basically, I'm planning to seek for a working student. It will help me compensate for the next year's blocked account, I would say. And yeah.
Okay. It's been what, 3 years that you're here in Germany now?
It's about 3 years.
It's about to be 3 years? Okay. In your experience getting a part-time job, was it too easy 3 years back or it has become too difficult now?
Like it was easy at my time, but it's too difficult from last year because there is shortage of part-time jobs because people are working full-time here.
Yeah. And you also said like कि आपके पास बहुत लोग आ रहे हैं पार्ट टाइम जॉब पूछने के लिए. मेरे
Exactly,
को
like when I am working only for 6 hours and like 15 to 16 people came and asking me for we are looking for the part-time job, but we all are full actually.
हाँ.
That's why, and they don't know even German language like until A2 or A1.
तो आई थिंक जर्मन का तो बहुत क्लियर है कि यार एटलीस्ट B1 B2 करके आओ
Like you
तभी
have
कुछ हो
to
सकता
learn
है.
until B1.
B1, right?
Yeah.
Then only something can happen for you now, right? A lot of people also, I know, they're not even getting basic part-time jobs as well. Like they're struggling a lot.
Like they are asking me like we can work in the kitchen in McDonald's also, but you have to communicate with the other colleagues also.
Yeah,
So you have to learn German.
right. But just for people's understanding, are you currently working
Yeah.
as of now? Are you doing any part-time job now?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
working.
And how many hours do you work in a week?
Like in a week, 20 hours per
20
week.
hours. And in those 20 hours, let's say, can you work for more?
No,
No?
it's not possible.
Not possible. And this is one of the odd jobs, is what you're doing?
Yeah,
Is this
exactly.
in McDonald's?
Yeah.
What do you do there?
Like I'm the cashier in the McDonald's,
Okay.
and sometimes we have new people for the training, so I give the training session.
Okay. After tax, how much money do you make by the end of the month?
It's about, after deducting the health insurance, it's about 950 to 1050 euros.
And is that good enough for your cost of living now?
About 850 euros.
That includes what?
Like rent, groceries, and everything.
So you're still able to save 200 euros.
Yeah, still.